Hey everyone, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome to my next video. I just wanted to talk in this video about making videos. Making videos is one of the easiest ways to get your message across to people. It's the easiest way of promoting, I believe, personally. But you just got to get over your fear of being in front of a camera. And the way I did it years ago when I first started my YouTube channel, back in 2016, 10 years ago, I can't believe it, I just started making videos like this. And I just started talking in front of the camera. And over time, the more I did it, it got easier and easier. So I always do videos like I am talking to a loved one or a friend or someone I care about. And that's not too far off because I do care about my subscribers. I do want to see them succeed, either in my online business, Exitus, or anything that they're going after. I want them to come to my channel and see these types of videos and say to themselves, this guy is really motivating me. So what I like to do is I just like when I do videos, like I said, I do them as I'm talking to a friend or a loved one. And your videos do not have to be perfect. They don't have to have that shine or anything like that. All you got to do is make sure you get your message across. People don't care what you look like or how you sound on the video or anything like that. People care about your message. When I do Exitus, I show people everything about the business. And I know going in, not everyone who watches one of my videos is going to join because it's a high-ticket affiliate business and it has a premium price tag. But with that premium price tag, you unlock for yourself the ability to make $2,000 instant commissions or $1,000 instant commissions and all the lower products on top of that. So I know not everyone's going to join, but you should also look at it this way. Sometimes people just can't join right away. They don't have the money, or they who knows. But I've had people come back to me months later saying, oh, I watched your video a long time ago and I really liked the video, but I just wasn't ready to join. People have lives. You can't force anyone to join you, whether it's online business or whatever it is you're going after. It takes time. It takes consistency. And I am fine with that. I got a $500 commission 2 weeks ago from Exitus, and I had no idea where this person came from. He could have came from my YouTube channel or some other place I was promoting, but it doesn't matter. The more you get out there, the more you get seen and heard, the better your odds are getting those big commissions in Exitus, or anything else that you're going after. You're going to get more exposure. You're going to get more people talking to you. But it does take time. It does take consistency, especially if you're starting from scratch. But I want to be an inspiration to anyone who watches my channel. So that's all I have to say in this video. And I really hope that you will subscribe to my channel, not just for my online business, but also for these kinds of videos and motivational videos that I like to post in my shorts. So that's all I gotta say. I hope you all have a wonderful week, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.